We're here with Coach Lenny Hyde, the winning coach today, Clarendon College. First of all, congrats on winning the DaCosta Cup at Oliver Shield last year, and congrats on a winning start. Coach, what did you see from your team today, from your perspective?
Good performance, confidence, understanding. Everybody wants to play good today. It's the first game, so we want to set precedence. I think we did that in most parts, especially the first half. We score 5 goals and we'll get relaxed in the second half. That's what we need to work on. We're supposed to be more hungry. We're supposed to be trying to score right through the game.
You said it.
Yeah, but I use them and thing. So the pressure wasn't coming to us that we need to go forward. So we try and keep the ball as much as we can.
Talk to me about one of your recruits, Russian Barrett. A player who represented Jamaica, earlier in the year.
He play under 16 and under 14 for us, so he's been there a good while now.
And what can we expect from him in the Manning Cup this year?
Yeah man, all for things. We can use him at centre half, we can use him at right back. He's a mobility player, he's all over the pitch, he wants to do good. And sky's the limit for him, he can play again next year, so he's one for the future.
As I say, you guys retained a lot of players, Barrett, Hull, Douglas, you guys have a lot of the core from last season. Can you guys replicate what we saw last year and dominate schoolboy football again?
Well, what I told them, we want to do better than what we did last year. So they have to improve game by game, improve in the training, lift up the team spirit, especially the captain need to do that, and maintain the discipline. And I think you can see some good football this season going forward.
All right, there we have it from Coach Lennon HYDE himself. Big up.